This is a tutorial on a game called Band Match that is found in Theta Music Trainer, an app that's available in self-service. So when you open the app for the first time, this is what you will see. If you have a username or a password, if I've asked you to create an account, you would type that in at this point for the first time that you're logging in. We're just going to use the free version, and that's all you need to do right now, unless I've specifically asked that you sign into your account. So you select free, and what you're going to see is a number of categories that have different games that go along with it. And the one we're going to do today is Band Match. Whenever you open up a game, you're going to find these 4 buttons. A back button that takes you back. Frequently asked questions, which the first time you're playing a game, I think it's always a good idea to open that up and read through it so you understand how the game works and you can be successful at it. And then there's a practice mode and a play mode. Practice mode helps you out the first time you're playing it so you know how to play the game and some of the tricks of the trade, the strategy, that kind of thing, what the instruments sound like. We're going to go right into the play mode because I've played this game before. You might get these little tips or quotes. You can check to turn them off if you want, but to start the game, you're going to select, just tap the screen. And you can hear the sounds, and I don't know what the quality is in this video because there might be some feedback, but you listen for what instruments you hear and select the instruments. And you can always select play again if you need to hear it a second time. It sounds to me like they're repeating some of them. And then when you've gone through the game, you can notice I've cleared a level because I got all of them accurate. It shows the score and the total points if you want to record the score. If you're doing this for an assignment, I may ask you to take a screenshot of this so that you can show that you've done the assignment. I might ask you to play it 3 or 4 times, maybe 5 times. And hopefully then what you would see is an increase in your scores, or you just continue to get more points. So that's how to play the game called Band Match in Theta Music Trainer.